You know those cookies you bite into and immediately think, all right, this is dangerous. Yeah, these are those. It starts with pistachio flour, real California pistachios, finely ground, rich and unapologetically nutty. The kind of flavor that doesn't whisper, it announces itself. And what you do from there, that's where things get fun. You can roll these cookies and chop pistachios for that deep toasted crunch, or take the wild route and toss them in a sweet meets tart fruit sugar made from blitzed freeze-dried berries. It clings to the warm cookies in this dusty jewel-toned coat that looks like you stumbled into a pastry chef's fever dream. And then the center, the Papa Jam, strawberry, apricot, fig, whatever jar's lurking in your fridge with a story to tell. Every choice changes the entire experience. Every version hits with a different kind of swagger. Call them thumbprint cookies if you want, but these are a whole new way to cook.